In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into AliExpress. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the sign-in option that suits you best, all while staying safe online. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar or your search engine, type AliExpress. If you see a list of results, look for the official AliExpress website. The correct link should clearly display the AliExpress name and the trusted domain. Before you click, take a second to confirm you're going to the genuine site. You should see a secure connection indicator, like a padlock icon, and the address should be spelled correctly. This quick check helps you avoid misleading ads or lookalike pages. Once the AliExpress homepage loads, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen. Hover over the account area there. When you do, a small menu will appear with options related to your profile. From that menu, select the sign-in option. If you don't see it immediately, keep your cursor steady over account for a moment so the menu fully opens, then click the sign-in button to proceed. You'll now be on the sign-in page where you can choose how you want to log in. If you prefer using your email address or mobile number, click into the field and enter the one associated with your AliExpress account. Then select Continue. On the next screen, type your password carefully. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't on by accident, and take a moment to double check for typos before you submit. If you're using a phone number, confirm that the correct country or region code is selected to avoid any mismatch. If you'd rather log in through a connected account, look toward the bottom of the sign-in panel for the social login icons, such as Google, Facebook, Apple, or Twitter X. Click the icon for the service you want to use. A secure window may prompt you to confirm that you'd like to continue with that account. Follow the on-screen prompts, and once authorized, you'll be returned to AliExpress already signed in. After you complete either method, you should see that the account area in the top right now reflects your profile. That's your confirmation that the login was successful. From here, you're ready to browse, add items to your cart, or check your orders within your account dashboard. If anything doesn't look right, refresh the page and confirm you're on the official site before trying again.